Hello student. Today we are going to see definition of deterministic finite automata, that is DFA, which is coming for 1 marks also. Only you have to write the elements which are included in DFA. Before that we are going to see what is actually deterministic and finite. So deterministic is nothing but there is only one state which actually the automata goes from one state to another state, so it is known as deterministic. And a finite itself, it is implies that there are finite number of states we are going to use in a DFA. So actually DFA having 5 elements, so it is defined by capital M. Okay, so now we will write the definition of this DFA, that is capital M is equal to open round bracket capital Q first element, then summation second element, delta third element, Q small q 0 fourth element, and capital F is a fifth element. So student, in this DFA there are 5 elements present and which is denoted by capital M. So now we are going to see the explanation of each and every symbol in DFA. So where one by one we are going to see capital Q. Capital Q is nothing but it is a set of states. Second we are going to see, that is summation. Okay, and summation is nothing but it is also a set of alphabet, or you can say input symbols. Okay, so this capital Q will be like Q0, Q1, Q2, Q3 and so on. Summation will be like 0, 1, 2, 3, ABC. So we are showing like this one. Next one, that is we are going with the delta. So we are going to see delta, and student, every times remember that from this element delta is very important. So the explanation for this is nothing but it is a transition function. This is a transition function which is denoted by capital Q. This is very important. Cartesian product summation, that is input, set of input symbol which goes towards to capital Q. Okay, so you have to remember these things. Delta, which is a transition function, and it is nothing but, this is very important, you have to remember this. Capital Q means number set of states. Cartesian product summation means nothing but set of alphabets input symbol, and which gives an output capital Q only. So this is, so we have seen this delta. Now next next symbol is what, that is Q0. So we will go with Q0. Q0 is nothing but the initial state, start state. Okay, initial state, start state. Next one is what, that is capital F. Capital F is nothing but the final state, or you can say end state, final state or end state. Now student, I am going to, this is actually for 1 marks. Now I am going to tell you how we are going to define these symbol through state transition diagram. For example, now I am going to draw DFA, that is 1 is Q0, this is Q1, and this is Q2. So here I am putting one automata from one state to another state on input symbol A. Here I am giving A, I am writing here B, Q2 is having double symbol, and here I am again putting B. Q0 to Q2 there is B. So this is my DFA. Okay. Now how I am going to solve this? So please remember, this will also take 1 marks while you are solving 5 marks example. So now I am going to elaborate this DFA into capital M. So see, capital M is equal to, now first is what? That is capital Q. So capital Q means number of states. So from this DFA, there are 3 states, Q0, Q1 and Q2. So we will make one set, that is Q0, Q1 and Q2. Okay. Next one is what? Summation. Summation is nothing but set of alphabet. Set of alphabets, how many input symbols are there? Whether it is repeated or not. So A and B, only 2 input symbols. So again we will make one set, that is A comma B. Okay. Now next one is what? That is delta. Delta is transition function. So see here, there is a Cartesian product of capital Q and summation which gives an output capital Q. So how we are going to write? I am going to tell you later on. But after that we will jump from summation to Q0. So Q0 means what? Initial state, start state. So you can see here Q0. So a small arrow is showing that this is a start state. So I am writing here Q0, comma. Next one is what? That is final state. Final state is what? That is, final state means which is shown by double circle. Okay. So from this 3 state, only Q2 is a final state. So I am writing here Q2. Okay. I am ending here, but still you can see from in this end there is only 4 elements. 1, 2, 3, 4. Only we are going to see this delta. So how we are going to write this delta? So delta is transition function or state transition table. So I am writing here delta. Okay. So you have to write delta like this. Now, so here delta, capital Q. Capital means Q means what? Number of state. How many states are there? 3. So we are writing Q0, Q1 and here it is Q2. As Q0 is my initial state, so I will put here arrow, and Q2 is final state, that's why I am putting here superscript star. Okay. Now this is Q. Cartesian product summation. So summation means input symbol. Input symbols are only 2. So we are writing here A and here it is B. Okay. Now capital Q Cartesian product summation, it will give you an output capital Q. So Q0 on A. So from this diagram we are going to see Q0 on A. Q0 on A. Where it is going? It is going towards Q1. So we will write here Q1. Q0 on B. Q0 on B. Where it is going? On Q2. So write here Q2. Q1 on A. Q1 on A going towards Q1. Q1 on B. Where it is going? It is going towards Q2. Q2 star. So Q2 on A. Q2 on A. No arrow is going. So if it is not going anywhere else, then you have to put here phi, and phi is denoted by this symbol. Q2 on B. Q2 on B. It is going towards Q2 itself. So write here Q2. So student, this is capital Q. This is summation. This is initial state, this is final state, and this is nothing but delta, which is asked you for 1 marks. Okay. Thank you.